everybody. I want you to meet my friend Aaliyah.
Hi, my name's Aliyah.
That was great introducing yourself, Aaliyah. Your mom called and said she's on her way home and she and your sister Adriana bought a ball for us to play with.
A ball?
That's right. It's going to be lots of fun.
But I don't know how to play with a ball. Can you tell me some ways?
That was great asking. Of course I can. I can show you too. Here are some ways to play with a ball. You can roll a ball. These kids are rolling a ball to one another. These kids are rolling a ball. This man is rolling a ball down the ramp. This man is rolling a ball.
Hey, Aliyah.
What are these kids doing?
Rolling a ball.
That's right. The kids are rolling a ball. What is this man doing? Rolling a ball. You got it. This man is rolling a ball. Another way to play with a ball is to bounce it. This girl is bouncing the ball outside. This girl is bouncing a ball. This woman is bouncing the ball on her tennis racket. This woman is bouncing a ball. What is this woman doing?
Bouncing a ball.
You got it right. She's bouncing a ball. What is this girl doing?
Bouncing a ball.
You got it right again. She's bouncing a ball. Next is throwing a ball. This boy is throwing the ball into the basketball hoop. This boy is throwing a ball. And this boy is throwing a beach ball up into the air. This boy is throwing a ball. What is this boy doing?
Throwing a ball.
Nice work. The boy is throwing a ball. What is this boy doing?
Throwing a ball.
You got it. The boy is throwing a ball.
Yay!
Up next is catching. This boy is catching a ball with a mitt. This boy is catching a ball. This boy is catching a ball with his arms. This boy is catching a ball. What is this boy doing?
Catching a ball.
Excellent job. The boy is catching a ball. And what is this boy doing?
Catching a ball.
You got it. The boy is catching a ball. Something really cool is playing with someone else where you take turns catching and throwing the ball. This boy throws the ball to his mom. She catches it and throws it right back. Throwing, catching, throwing, catching.
Throwing and catching a ball.
That's right, Aaliyah. Playing together is fun. There are some other ways to play with a ball. There are some ball games where you hit the ball, like baseball, where you hit the ball with a bat. Golf is a game where you hit a small ball into a hole. When you're close to the hole, you want to hit it very gently. And when you're playing volleyball, you hit the ball with your hands. What is the girl doing?
Hitting a ball.
Yes, you got it. The girl is hitting a ball. She's using her tennis racket. Before we get ready to go, let's talk about kicking a ball. You kick with your feet. This boy is kicking a ball. You play soccer by kicking a ball. This girl is kicking a ball at soccer practice. This girl is kicking a ball. What is this boy doing?
Kicking a ball.
Nice job. The boy is kicking a ball. You're learning so much today, Aaliyah. What is this girl doing?
Kicking a ball.
Fantastic. The girl is kicking a ball.
There are so many ways to play with balls. You can roll a ball. You can bounce a ball. You can throw a ball. You can catch a ball. You can hit a ball. And you can kick a ball.
I think your mom and Adriana are home now. I can hear them putting the keys in the door. Are you ready to go see them?
Let's go play.